Hello great people, it's wonderful to meet you again. This video is going to elaborate that how we can find, highlight and remove duplicates values or text from given data. Before move on to data, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. For this practical, we have table that consists of 3 columns: item, salesperson and last one is sales value. So first we have to find and highlight duplicate item from given data. To keep the data in original form, we will copy item column and paste here. Now we will find and highlight the duplicate item from this column. Simply select the column, go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, further click here, Highlight Cells Rules. Then duplicate values. Duplicate value window will pop up. We want to find and highlight the duplicate, so select duplicate and lastly select the suitable option that how to highlight duplicate values or text and hit the OK button. So this simple way we can easily find and highlight duplicates. Now we have to remove these duplicates. So here we have two options. So let's see first option. Simply select the column data, home, go to sort and filter and then filter. Click here, then filter by color and for remove these duplicates press Ctrl minus and hit the OK button. So this way duplicate value we can remove and find the unique values. Now the second option is first select the data, then go to data tab, click here remove duplicates. Remove duplicates window will open. If we have multiple columns, then we select concern column. But we have only one column which is already selected. So now hit the OK button. So message will appear that how many duplicates values found and removed and also rest of unique values available. इस वीडियो को देखने का आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट, लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा.